Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions have come in, and that is now $90 in Fast Start bonus and $62 for the month of November. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how you can join the fastest growing team within Wealth Step by Step. And one of the reasons that I did that is because they give you paying members. So with the team rotator and the spillover, they're giving you monthly recurring income. And also a bit later on, I'm going to just show you the free resources and the free tools that our team gives you. So this is a complete done for you system. You just promote one link, you can earn multiple income streams, you can get into profit fast, and you can also long term start to receive monthly recurring income with our team rotator. Let me just show you. I'm going to log into my back office here, and I want to show you how this works, because it's important to understand the couple of different income streams that you get with Wealth Step by Step and how you get a solid monthly recurring income. So I'm live in my back office here. I'm going to go into more. Here's where you get your free autoresponder. So that's the product you get with the Matrix one, which I'll just come to shortly and show you that. You go into new genealogy, and this is where you get your update on the commissions. What you'll see here is you'll see that the blinking names are the Fast Start bonus. So this is the Fast Start bonus that I've received. All the names you can see that are flashing on the screen now, they're all the names that are flashing that I've received a $10 commission. So you'll see $10 in there, and in this one there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've received $40 this month alone in Fast Start bonus. If you look at my previous video here, you'll see I've received previously $80. So with the new commission, that takes me up to $90 in Fast Start bonus. And then the other commissions here, the $62 here, is made up of the monthly recurring commissions of $4 per month that I get from the other members. Let's just talk a little bit at the moment about the team rotator and what that means. So there'll be a link in the description where you can join our team. And when you join our team, what happens is, as these levels get filled, then we have to pass you. My level 1 and level 2 are now full. So what happens is, any other new members that join from above me in the team have to be passed down to me in level 3. And any new members that I refer personally have to go into level 3. I'll come to what that means in monetary terms in just shortly. But you'll see here with the team rotator, this member here, Roland, was given to me on the team rotator. So the sponsor is Frank. So I haven't referred Roland. Roland was given to me. And then this one in the yellow here was given to me. The sponsor is Ignatius. This one was given to me. So these two here in yellow, that's monthly recurring commission that's been given to me, and that's through the forced matrix and the spillover. So you can see that it's working. It's a long-term program. You're not looking to be given loads of people super fast and get rich overnight. Where the faster the team grows, then the more spillover and the more monthly recurring commission you're going to get. So that's the month. So total commission $62. That's so far the total for November. We've still got 3 days in November to go, so I might earn some more Fast Start there. Now I want to show you how the monthly recurring commission works. So I'm going to log out here, And I'm going to just give you a quick. This is really important to understand this pay plan, because it's really it can be very lucrative and profitable once you start to understand it and see how it works. So I'm already in profit. We do talk about getting you into profit fast. We're going to be concerned here with level 1. Now, even though level 1 says that you don't earn any monthly commissions, you can still earn, like I've earned here, you can still, on your level 1, you can still earn fast start bonus. So you can still earn your $10 fast start. And the fast start bonus is unlimited. For every referral that you get in this matrix 1, you're going to get fast start bonus of $10. So let's go on to level 2. And you'll see now that I filled up my second level. So I've got 9 members in my second level. The commission, this is monthly recurring commission. Fast start bonus is our one-off commission. This is monthly recurring commission. 9 times 4 equals $36. And that's every single month, total monthly. So 9 fours, let's just get rid of all this. 9 fours are 36. Now let's just put RC for recurring commission. So what you've got to remember is you're paying $15 a month, but when you get your second level filled up, then you're in profit every single month. You're paying out $15, you're getting your free autoresponder, and then you're in profit because you're earning 36, but you're paying out 15. So you're in profit every single month. Now you'll see now what happens now is my second level is filled. So I've got now everything that goes now, any team spillover that I get will be passed down to me in my third level. So I'm going to start now filling up my third level. I'll carry on promoting, and I'll also get some spillover. And then when my third level is filled, 27 members times $4 equals $144 a month. Now, that's not including the fast start bonus that I can get from my own personal referrals. So you've got 2 different income streams here. It's important to note this, but this one here is really probably the most important. This is your monthly recurring. And as long as all these members stay members, so we help you become successful, you stay for the long term. We're helping our team become successful. And what that builds a solid monthly recurring commission. And then you can see the profit now is $144 minus 15. So you're well into profit. And then what we'll do there is we'll teach you how to build level 4. We'll teach you where to reinvest some of these profits here, how to reinvest some of the profits, and to scale up and fill your 4th level. And then that's where you're seriously into profit. So that's $468 a month of recurring commission coming in, passive money. Very serious and very great compensation plan. It really is a great compensation plan. And then what you'll see there is matrix 2 down here. I'm not going to go into matrix 2 because matrix 2, we're going to put the foundations in place for matrix 1, and then you can scale up even more to earn more with matrix 2. We're going to focus on matrix 1. Now we give you all the free tools and we give you all the free resources to help you become successful with wealth step by step. This is not only It's done for you funnel. It's an absolute done for you funnel. Everything here is created for you. So if you're brand new, you're looking to make your first dollar online, you're looking to make some solid monthly recurring commissions, then we give you all these lead capture pages. So all you do is you join Leads Leap for free, and Leads Leap is a free lifetime membership. And we've created all the converting lead capture pages. So we give you what's called a share code. It's really simple. It's just copy and paste. You get a code like this. All you do is copy and paste this code into the back of Leads Leap. We even give you video instructions here on how to do it. And then all you do is copy and paste a few clicks, and then you're going to get lead capture pages exactly done for you. They'll be created with your own link. You're going to get your own link to promote these. It's all done for you. You don't have to create anything. We've tested these, they convert, we've created them. And there's even email series and follow-up series. So you can boost your conversions by following up with these excuse me, with these share codes here. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and then the bell icon if you'd like to see more of my videos in the future. I'm currently doing several new videos every week, and I've got now over 800 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about wealth step by step, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'm going to put my email address in the description. So if you want to be mentored by me one-to-one, you'd like some mentoring help, or if you just want to ask me any questions through email, then my email address is in the description. So if you want to join the fastest growing team, click the link in the description, get some more information, and then we'd love to help you become part of our team and help you become successful with wealth step by step. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.